Hey, it's been hella long that I haven't do like a makeup tutorial. So today we're gonna basically transform into a TikTok e-girl and basically kind of recreate that look and kind of show you how to get it. So keep watching. So today we're gonna use my Fit Me foundation and Born This Way, and we're basically gonna fuse the two together and kind of like mix it so that I could put it on my face. So now we're gonna make the polka dots as usual and kind of make dots all over our faces, and I'm using my finger just to kind of place where I want it to go. And then after that we're gonna use our blending sponge that I've sprayed with our mist spray, our rose mist spray that I really love the smell of. Ugh. And then we're basically gonna blend it all out, as you can see right here. Just kind of pat it in. You don't want to like smear it or kind of drag it on your face just because it will kind of create more acne and all that stuff and kind of just mess up and damage your face more. So you really just want to pat it in so that all the foundation could blend well and looks really seamless when you are using the sponge and patting it in, because you don't really want to see all those harsh lines from the foundation just because it's just going to look weird up close. So it should look like so. Yeah, I kind of needed my glasses so I could see like if I did like a good job, because you know I'm kind of like blind, I can't see. Okay, don't judge me. Okay. And now we're gonna use our brow pencil. We're gonna use the Benefit eyebrow pencil, kind of just shape our eyebrows. So what I kind of noticed on Pinterest, because like I was like doing like my little research on Pinterest because I don't even know what the hell a TikTok girl is. I kind of noticed that they really use dark, like really dark shade eyebrows. So I have really had to like color it in, even though it kind of really isn't my forte. But you know, for the look, it is what it is. So we just gotta do it. And yeah, once again, I have to use my glasses just to see on my phone if I'm doing a good job. And now we're gonna you do the other side, not use the other side. Do the other side so that it can like look symmetrical and look nice. So yeah. Now we're gonna get our Milk Kush mascara, and we're gonna just basically kind of, I guess, elongate or just kind of make our lashes kind of more longer and more bolder and more fierce. So we're just gonna put that on and look good with it. Now we're gonna take our bronzer and basically sculpt our face so that it could look nice and sunken in so that we could look good. So we're gonna basically sculpt our cheekbones, and then we're gonna continue up towards our forehead, and then we're gonna do the other side, and then also under our chin so that we can hide that double chin, you know what I'm saying? The concealer, I don't use concealer at all because I just feel like I look weird with it. Like it just look ooh. Like I just don't wear concealer. Like, because I see people, they put concealer under their eyes and kind of just shape their like face too, but I just don't. I don't like the look. Like it's just too. I don't like it. Now we're gonna get our Jackie and Anastasia palette, and we're gonna use the pink shade, and we're gonna put it all over our eyeballs basically. So you want to put it in the center of your eyeball, the outsides of your eyeball, and even the maybe the tear duct maybe. And yeah, so we're basically gonna like kind of blend it all the way out on your whole eyeball. And yeah, like I never really came across, like, I guess TikTok e-girl is like a new thing that's going around. I remember using well, before it was TikTok, it was Musically. I remember I had a Musically, and it was just so funny. It was really fun, like back then. Like I would always do like little funny videos and little skits and little like little covers of music that I guess they still do to this day. And it was just really fun for the time being, especially like me using it when I was in college. It was entertaining for me because whenever I made a video, I was just like making a video just to entertain myself and just kind of to laugh at myself. But it was like good while it was like fun and good while it lasted. But yeah, I really appreciate Musically before it changed to TikTok for some reason. But yeah. and it should look like so. And if it didn't really come out like this, it's fine. Just kind of like work with it, you know, like it's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days, you know. It's okay. Now we're gonna take our Take Me Back to Brazil, and we're gonna use this white shade, and we're gonna basically put it in our inner corners of our eyeballs so that you could see that nice light shade that is kind of going from light to dark. And also, you going back to the pink color that I use, I kind of put that under my eye too. I almost forgot to do that too, so don't forget to put the pink shade little eyeshadow under your eyeballs, because I almost forgot right here. Like, what does the e-girl even mean? Like, what does it stand for? Like, is it like you genius girl? Like, what does the E even stand for? Like, emo girl? Ooh, maybe it is emo girl. I don't even know. But yeah, like I always wondered like what the meaning of the e-girl was. Like, I knew the look since I did like my little research, but like the meaning, I don't know. Help me out here. So now we're going to take this bougie palette that I got from Amazon, and we're going to take that white shade, and we're basically going to use that highlighter for our inner corners of our eyeballs, as you can see right here. And yeah, so that's where we're going to basically highlight. I also highlighted underneath my eyebrows and my nose, and I think my cheeks and my cupid's bow. I think. I'm not even sure. Don't judge me. Now we're going to take our Anastasia's Moonlight palette, and we're going to get the pink shade that I forgot the name of, and we're going to use our little highlighter brush, the little fluffy brush. And you know, you already know it's like a procedure on how to like put it on. So you want to dab it, then you want to fluff it on and look like you are that bitch, and put it on like you are that bitch, and then you go for more and go on the other side. And we're just gonna put that on our cheekbones, on our nose, and our cupid's bow. And yeah, now we're gonna go in our NYX palette and take this red shade, and we're gonna get our little blush brush and kind of pat it in real nice and good and well so that you know it's real. And then we're gonna put it on our nose and across our cheeks so that we can get that kind of like, I guess, sickly look, and kind of blend it all throughout our face so that we can look nice and cute and kawaii. Okay, now I have to kind of make sure like everything is going good, you know, so because you know I can't see, so yeah, it looks good. Now we're gonna take our confetti little highlighter by Fenty, and we're gonna put that also across our cheeks and our nose and our cupid's bow, because you know we want to be extra, we want to look extra, we want that extraness just for that TikTok look, because why not? Shoot. Now we're gonna take our Kat Von D eyeliner pen and make a cat-like type of eye shape eyeliner, and I'm doing my, you know, usual glasses check, because you know, yeah. And then we're gonna make little hearts on the bottom, and it should look like so. Now we're gonna take this pink little, I think it's an eyeliner and a lip liner, and we're basically gonna put that all over our lips so that our lips could look nice and kissable and nice and pink. And yeah, so we're just gonna basically just kind of put it on. There's no really like foreign way to do it, you know. Not only that, but it's really hard to put like lip liner on my lip just because I have to like spread it to like spread it out and it should look like that. Yeah, so this is my finished look. Hopefully you liked this e-girl transformation that I did, and if you want any more makeup tutorials, leave suggestions like under the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and show your girl some love. Okay, bye.